If you're having trouble logging into Snapchat, or you're getting an error message saying, "Oops, we could not find matching credentials," this video is for you. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to fix the problem so you can get back to snapping with your friends. So let's get started right away. So what you want to do first is restart your device and then type in your username and password. And that might fix your issue. If it didn't fix your issue and you still can't log in, tap on Forgot Your Password. And then choose a method that you want to reset your password with, either via the phone number or email. I'm going to tap on email, and it will open up this page on your browser. So go ahead and type in your email address and then tap on submit. And then it will send a password reset link to the email address you typed in. And you can click on it to change your Snapchat password, and you can log into your account with the new password, and hopefully, that should fix your issue. If it didn't fix your issue, then what you can do next is open up your browser and go to support.snapchat.com. And then tap on Contact Us. And then select I can't access my account. And then select I see an error message when I log in, and then scroll down and tap on Yes. Once you do that, it will show you this form, so go ahead and fill out all of these details and tap on Send to get in contact with the Snapchat support team, and they will help you to resolve this issue. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.